And this Python program is designed to calculate the sum and the average of three numbers that are stored inside a list. It also demonstrates how to convert a string value into a float so that it can be used in mathematical operations, and how to display results properly using format output. So let's go. First, we need to find our PyCharm app. And then right-click the project one. Go to New and Python file. And put problem number 21. So, after that, we need to put the code of the problem number 21. So, this is the code of the problem 21. So, the first line, data equals open bracket 50, result 50 and 4.5 close bracket. This line creates a list named data that contains 4 values, 2 strings, 1 integer, and 1 float. The second line shows A, B, C, D equals data. So this line separates or unpacks the list into 4 variables. So A is 50, B is result, and C is 30, and D is 4.5. So the third line, A equals float open parenthesis, A close parenthesis. This converts the value of A from a string to a float. In other words, 50 becomes 50.0, so it can be used in addition. So the fourth line is total equals A plus C plus D. Here, Python adds the 3 numeric values 50.0, 30, and 4.5. The result or the total is 84.5. So the fifth line is average equals total divided by 3. The program divides 84.5 by 3 to get the average, which is 28.16, repeating. So the sixth line is print open parenthesis F string B. The sum is total colon point 2 F, and average is average colon point 2 F close parenthesis. So this line prints the result neatly. The symbols colons point to 2F mean the numbers are shown with 2 decimal places. It includes the word result from variables B. So now let's try to run this code. Here, the final output is result. The sum is 84.50 and the average is 28.17. And that's all. Thank you.